Hey folks, how's it going? My name's Jorie and I am so very excited to show y'all how to make a DIY pore cleansing face mask. This one is so much fun because it's one of the ones you put on your face, you let it dry, and then it peels off and it really removes all of those blackheads and impurities and gets your skin prepped and ready to go for the day. So let's get started. Y'all, I love this mask because it's so very easy. You'll only need two simple ingredients. The first one is a packet of unflavored gelatin. Of course we're gonna go with unflavored just because we don't wanna be putting strawberry jello on our face. And then the second ingredient is a tablespoon and a half of milk. You can go with whatever is in your refrigerator. I went with unsweetened almond milk just because it's what I had. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my gelatin packet and pour it directly into my tablespoon and a half of milk. So it's just kind of powder, it kind of looks like sugar. And then you just give this a really good stir until it's kind of all combined. Not kind of, completely all combined. So it's gonna look a little bit like a paste. I'll show you guys. And then the next step after this is just to give it a good microwave for about 10 seconds. All right, y'all, so this is the consistency after about 10 seconds in the microwave. You can see it is liquid now, so it'll be really easy to put on my skin. Just make sure you let it cool enough before you do go in and put it on your face because obviously you don't want to get burned. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna use a spatula. Normally I would say don't dirty up another dish, just use your fingers. But for this, because it is a bit sticky, I don't want to put it on my fingers and waste it all on my hands when it could be going on my face. So I'm gonna go in with this tiny cute spatula. All right, y'all, let's get going. You can see it's kind of like a glue. Okay, just gonna spread it on my face. Perfect. And normally, y'all, it will dry after just about a few minutes. So I will, I'm gonna time it and give you guys the exact time it takes. But yeah, normally after just a few minutes, you are good to go and it will peel off. It's not quite as fun as the bright colored mask you may be used to, but I do promise you, you will see a difference in your skin after all those blackheads and impurities are out of the way. All right, y'all, I did finish putting it all over my face, as you can see, and I did pull my hair up because I forgot to mention this mask is meant to get out any impurities, but it will also pull out peach fuzz and hair. So if it gets in your eyebrows or in your hairline, it will pull that hair out with it, so just be very careful. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna check back in a few minutes once I feel like this face mask is fully dry, and I'm gonna show y'all how it peels right off. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes. I did notice the mask kind of smells like a marshmallow to me, if you're curious. If you can see, when I move my face, it's definitely stiffened up, and I think we're ready to go and get to peeling. So you can start wherever you want. If you see like kind of a little part that's up already that you can grab onto or move and peel off, you can start there, but I think I'm gonna start over here because I can see a little bit kind of up already. So let's get going. I'm just gonna kind of push it. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're definitely peeling nicely. Yeah, but it's coming off a bit like glue. Nice. Okay. Over here. Whew. I can definitely feel it pulling up some of my blackheads and my problem areas underneath the skin as I go. There we go. But it is coming off nicely, so maybe go for the forehead. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I just continued to peel off the mask, and it did keep coming off very, very easily. And then I gave my face a really good wash just to make sure all that gelatin was gone because I don't want that sitting on my face all day long. And y'all, I'm so excited with the results. So you can see I have a little pimple here and in this area, and both of them look smaller and less inflamed, which is absolutely great. And then I had blackheads all in this area around my nose, and you can see they're pretty much non-existent at this point. So, y'all, this mask really does what it says it's going to do, and that is remove impurities. So, if you love this DIY beauty project as much as I do, please give us a thumbs up on YouTube and let us know how it works for you. And as always, I'll be back with more DIY fun very, very soon.